Hi, I'm going to show you how to build a WhatsApp automation, a WhatsApp bot that gets you your sales or wherever you need from an Excel, from a Google Sheet. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go here to connected app and connect our Google Drive. Click connect with Google Drive, and it'll ask us to take the steps. I'm going to click continue, and then it will be connected. So now we need to give access to the application, the file that we want to give access. I'm gonna select here, click here, and then look for the file I want to share. So I'm gonna select sales data. And if I show you this file, you'll see that this file has two columns, one the product and two the sales. It can be whatever column you want. So then you'll head to automations and app and create a new automation. I'm going to call it WhatsApp integration. And then you'll click here where it says add trigger, select the number. I'm going to select this number for testing and enter the phone number that you're going to be writing from. I'm going to enter this number for testing purposes. Click save. So over here, it's where you select the number that you're going to be writing to and the numbers you're going to write to. If at any points you want to add two more numbers, just click here. So now I'm going to head to my WhatsApp and I'm going to send the number. I'm going to send that message to this number from one of the numbers I entered. So I've sent the message. So now we're going to wait a few seconds for the message to arrive. I'm going to click here, refresh until the message arrives. Okay, the message usually takes around 30 seconds to 45 seconds to arrive. So I'm going to click refresh. I'm going to see here, you're going to see a typed text. The number is coming from the contact message and the message is sending. So now I'm going to tell it, use the incoming message send it to WhatsApp. I'm going to select add. I'm going to select the skill WhatsApp. I'm going to select the skill add and send it to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to tell me if the message is asking for sales or for let's say another metric, active users, or whatever metric we want. Return the type of message. I'm gonna click send and it will start generating the code, JavaScript with OpenAI. We're gonna wait for the code to finish generating. So you see that it generated. I'm gonna click run. So now it says type sales. So it's good because we've sent a message that says I want to see my sales. So the type message is sales. So now I'm gonna add another step and I'm gonna tell it, okay, I'm gonna go to this Google Sheet. I'm gonna copy the link, and I'm gonna tell it, okay, use my app Google Drive integration, and get all the content from my Google Sheet, and sum the column. I'm gonna tell it to sum the column B. Sum the column B and get the total sales. So it's gonna start generating the code. I'm gonna pause it until it finishes. Okay, so it has finished generating the code, and I'm gonna run the step to make sure it's working. So it says failed to fetch, no data in spreadsheet. So it's good, we set an error. So I'm gonna go to look at the logs and I'm just gonna copy paste because it made a mistake. I'm gonna say that it says no data, but the logs say this. I'm gonna paste it and it's gonna start fixing the code so that it runs correctly. So we're gonna wait for it to finish, for it to generate the code. I'm gonna give it a second. And then I'm gonna go back to results and I'm gonna click run step. So if we have another error, I'm gonna tell it again to fix the error. So you see, I'm gonna click run step, and then it says total sales. Your total sales are 301. So now I'm gonna delete only run this when the step before is of type sales, so that it only runs it when it's of type sales. I'm gonna let it finish generating the code. 1 second. Okay, so I'm gonna run the step. And you're gonna see that it says total sales messages. So now I'm gonna delete if it's of type sales, respond to the WhatsApp message with WhatsApp skill, and I'm gonna click enter. So it's gonna start modifying the code to respond to the WhatsApp message. And I'm gonna click run again, make sure everything works. And you're gonna see that I have the total sales and the message has been sent. So now we have a bot that works with WhatsApp. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into my WhatsApp message here, and you're gonna see that I have a bot that gives you the total sales from your spreadsheet. So let's say I wanna modify this spreadsheet and I'm gonna add a new cell. I'm gonna go product 4. I'm gonna add here 200. So this is, so if I sum this total, this is going to be sum 501. So now I'm going to go back to WhatsApp and I'm going to use it again, and I'm going to tell it I want to see my sales. So now if we wait 30 seconds, it's going to be, so we have to wait 30 seconds for the message to arrive. We're going to give it a second. So you're going to see that the message has arrived, and now it says your total sales are 501.